Gold and silver both traded with little swing yesterday. We have seen both trading bearish with the Asia and Europe session yesterday while showing a good recovery. Specifically, silver posted a very good recovery with the US session. Now, what to expect today? Which trade you should take, where you should enter, how to profit today, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session, before the data releases. Today we have the data coming in, that is ADP non-farm payrolls. Later to that, we will be having the labor cost data and the non-farm productivity. And after that, once the US session starts, we have the services PMI data. So yes, this could bring little volatility, though we are looking forward to tomorrow for major data. But yes, today again we can see little volatility. And how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. And also, to get the notifications, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch gold on the hourly charts yesterday. I mentioned almost a double bottom, and see, it is still delivering lower highs and lower lows here. Yes, it is trying to trade in this moderately bearish channel, and yes, if you see it is staying above 25.02, that is the point of time you can initiate a buying entry. 25.06, 25.10, 12, very good resistance there. And if it breaks beyond 25.10 and 12, you can say that the bulls are back in action, and then you can look forward to 25.20, 25.26 and 25.30. Beyond 25.30 is sky limit here, though I do not see that happening. But yes, these are markets. Look at the moving averages, these have started to, but not yet crossed over. And also, if you look at the formation, see, after a V-shaped recovery, it is trying to trade here. I will wait for it to break now below 24.84. That is a good point where you can say that metals are turning, or gold is turning bearish till 24.84. We should not be treating this as bearish for today at least. Stochastic near to top, MACD rising here, RSI is also flat here. Coming to 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts, you can see it is taking support from the 20 period moving average, which is right now positioned at around 24.94, and this zone here at 24.94.90 is becoming crucial for today. Below 24.90 you can take a selling entry, expect 24.84-86 zone, and below that you can see it reversing completely. I will still say that it is still trading in this bearish channel. After this drop, this is a moderate bearish channel, and once it takes a direction, it is going to be strong. Stochastic here is near to top, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3-hour charts here. See a diminishing bullishness, higher lows, higher highs, and 50 period moving average here giving it a very good resistance. We have seen first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is the fifth time it is shying away to break beyond 50 period moving average. Also, the crossover here in the moving average is definitely a bearish sign. Prices are just consolidating here in this zone. Let it drop below 24.90 levels. You can take a selling entry there and expect it to move towards 24.84.86, 24.78.80, and then we can look forward to 24.70 and lower levels here. If you look at the stochastic, this is near to top. MACD here is still rising. It is crossed over. It is looking upwards and trading with divergence. This is a bullish sign here on the 3-hour charts. RSI almost flat. Coming to 4 hour, likewise on the 4-hour charts, see, just look at the formation here: drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. And this time, if it drops below 24.90, we can say further bearishness. But again, till 24.84, we have to be cautious, and below 24.80.78 zone is where more bearishness will prevail, and then you can look forward to a greater move. See, look at this move, increasing bearishness. Now here also the drop was sharper. This can be further sharp, taking it below 24.70. Be watchful. Stochastic here is overbought. The MACD here is crossed over, trading with divergence, is staying bullish. The RSI is almost staying flat. Coming to day, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where we trade diverse instruments including indices and commodities. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for your queries related to the services, or join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link is also in the channel and video description. Yes, it offers you a safer environment to trade, and it also gives you all the freedom to trade any instrument from across the globe. So do not miss this. Now look at the daily. See, on the daily charts, first of all, diminishing bearishness here. Then the candle closing above 20 period moving average, forming bigger tails, suggests that there are good support available here on the downside for gold for the day, for the week. And yes, it is not willing to close below 20 period moving average. That is also a sign that still the bears are not very much interested in taking a direction. Also, if you look at, I can see it delivering lower highs, and today again it is shying away from breaking past yesterday's high. Now, median of the Bollinger Bands at 2502 should be a good resistance, then 250506. And if it breaks these two levels, you can look forward to a little reversal where prices can move above 2510 12, and then in fact 2520 levels will come into picture. uh, right now it is very much indecisive, because see, once right now I can see that it is delivering lower highs, and this time it's staying below 2490. We can look forward to another round of good bearish move, and this time it is going to be sharp enough to take it below 2470. Right now, yes, the 20 period moving average is proving out to be a good support. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here. It is still trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI flat. Consider buying entry at 2502, expect 2506, 2510 12, and then 2520, 2526, 2530. Till 2530, I have shared the levels. Beyond 2530, sky is the limit. 2540, 2550 levels can be seen if the data gives it enough volatility. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2590, 2492, expect 24. See, 2490 to 90 zone, you can take a selling entry, expect 2484, 86 first, 78, 80 second, and then 2470. This time I will expect it to break below 2470 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver on the hourly chart. See, look at the formation here. First of all, it was trading in this bearish channel here, forming almost a double bottom. It has tried to bounce back. Now it is trying to trade in a retracement channel. Let it drop below $28 levels. In fact, I will recommend you to sell here at 28.20 itself. 28.20 is a very good support, but here you have to be cautious. 28.10, 28. These are the two supports it needs to break. Only below $28 levels you can see little bearishness, and if it breaks below 27.80, you can say that the bears are back in action, and you can look forward to a greater correction. If you look at the stochastic, this is near to overbought zone looking downwards. MACD has retraced good enough. It has come above neutral line. RSI is right now looking downwards, suggestive of slight bearishness in the current candle. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, the formation is similar. 2780 as the base and lower highs is what you can see. I will wait for it to either break below. See, yesterday also I have mentioned how critical is this zone between 2840 and 60. Definitely this is going to play an important role in deciding the future of silver today. Any move beyond 2860, you can expect 2875.80, and then beyond this, we can in fact look forward to 2920, 2950. As far as my opinion is concerned, chances are less for this to happen here. If you look at right now, it is delivering higher lows. Let it break below 2820. Here itself you can take a selling entry. Just exercise a bit of caution till 2810 and 28, and then specifically till 2780. Below this, it is going to give you a sharper correction here, which is going to take it towards 2750, 2720. Stochastic near to top. MACD trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 3 hour, look at the 3 hour charts here. Higher lows, higher highs, taking the support here. Wait for it to drop below 2820, and then you can expect slight bearishness. On the upside, it is very, very clear that it has greater resistances available here in between 2840 and 60 zone. Thus, you need to be cautious. Moving averages are trading with divergence and are staying bearish. Prices which were trading with divergence from the moving averages have converged, so both the things are done, and now it can possibly take the direction. Stochastic rising, MACD has hit the lows. It is crossed over. It is looking upwards, trying to suggest slight bullishness. RSI rising, coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4 hour charts, similarly on the 4 hour charts, forming double bottom, it is trying to bounce back. But remember one thing, moving averages here are bearish. 2880 should be a greater resistance even if it tries to rise today, and that should also create the base for a drop tomorrow with the data. Now see, a drop retracement, and if it takes a direction, this is going to be a stronger one. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over here, trying to trade with bullishness. RSI flat. Coming to daily. Now look at the daily charts. Higher lows, higher highs. Where are the bottom? Where is the bottom of this channel? Around 2790, 2780. So yes, See, yesterday it is started with higher lows, it is moved on the upside. Today it is started on the upside, it can move on the downside. That is how markets might try to act today. Moving averages on the daily charts are definitely crossed over, trying to trade bearish, and this also makes this complete zone till 28.80 $29 levels as a critical resistance here. And even if it tries to rise, these levels are definitely going to play a major role. If you look at the movement here in silver, I have mentioned drop retracement, lower highs, lower lows. Lows here are far below towards 26.50, in fact $26 levels. So we have to wait for it to take a direction. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI flat. Consider, I will recommend you to sell silver today 28.20 and buy at 28.50 levels. For this 30 cents, do not trade on the upside. Even if you are buying at 28.50, be careful. 28.60, 28.75, 80, and then 29. Till these three levels are not taken, you should not be treating silver as bullish. It can reverse again. On the downside, selling at 28.20, you have to wait for 28.10 $28 levels to be taken. 27.80 is the most critical. Any drop below 27.80 is a sign of a stronger drop, which can take it the prices towards 27.50 and lower levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Sigmas channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session.